Hi guys, I'm Shazad and welcome on our YouTube channel. Today's we're gonna discuss about the Python because we are starting our new series, which is the Python. You will learn many things in this series. So for those person who just join us, I request them please join us on Facebook and also the YouTube. And please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. So we start from the zero, like what are the requirements if you are learning the Python? What are the tools which you need to use by learning the Python or while learning the Python? Okay, so I'm talking about the IDE. You're gonna learn how can you download and install a proper IDE for the Python. I will show you that while working on database which tools you need to use. Okay, so we start from the zero, like what is Python, what are the tools, how can you create your variables, what are the functions, methods, how can you pass the argument, what are the conditions, what are the operators, and a lot of things we are going to cover in this series because this is the basic course of the Python. You will also learn the Django framework, which is the Python framework, in our next series. But in this series, we consider the basics of the Python, so you guys can easily understand. So Python is a programming language. It's a high-level language. You can create web application and also the scientific applications by using the Pythons. So I hope guys you will enjoy this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you never miss any update. So thank you for watching.